Oh, wait. Look at that. Woohoo! Great.
License and registration.
Hello. Sorry, it's very bright, Colby.
License and registration.
Hello. Hi, Colby. Today is March the 12th now.
My sister's birthday.
Aaron's birthday.
Happy 33rd.
Yes, and it's move time forward.
Spring forward.
Yes, there we go.
Move time forward. Yes.
I got that in.
You do
Hello.
move time forward. You spring forward. Yes.
That is a very bright light. What did you do on the night of the 5th?
I murdered someone.
Colby, what did you do on the night of the 5th?
I'm not Colonel Mustard.
Tell the truth, Colby. What did you do on the night of the 5th?
Hurry. The truth will set you free.
Okay, he's free.
It's expunged. Don't worry.
It's expunged. Completely expunged. Alright. So that we do not have an accident, I'm gonna turn off my camera. Because we might have an accident.
How about we call it a, yeah, we don't call attention.
Yes. Okay.